It's something in this shot that bothers you, right? And no, it's not the fact that I'm wearing shades indoors. No, it's something else. Have you ever filmed indoors? Everything looks fine to your eyes, but later, your footage looks like it's been haunted by a strobe light. That happens a lot. It's super common, but I got good news. It's totally fixable. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why it happens and how to make it stop. So first things first, why does this happen? And no, it's not your camera trying to sabotage you. Here's the truth, most lights aren't actually steady. They flicker really fast, about 50 or 60 times a second. That's because of how our electricity works. Alternating current or AC power. AC means that current is consistently switching direction. In Europe it does that 50 times per second, and the US 60. Every time the current crosses zero, the light dims for a split second. Our eyes don't notice it, we're pretty chill about flicker. But your camera? The camera shutter sees everything. So when your shutter and the lights flicker are out of sync, your camera captures tiny slices of brightness and darkness. That's what causes those annoying flickering bands. It's not your camera's fault, it's just bad timing. Some lights though don't flicker, but some do, and if they do, we can fix it. You only need to understand two things: frame rate and shutter speed. Frame rate, how many images your camera records per second? 24, 25, 30, 50 or 60 and so on. Shutter speed, how long each image is exposed? 1/50, 1/60, 1/100 of a second, etc. The trick is to match those settings with your country's power frequency. In Europe, 50 Hz, shoot at 25 or 50 frames per second and a shutter speed of 1/50 or 1/100. In the US, 60 Hz, go with 30 or 60 frames per second and 1/60 or 1/120 shutter speed. Most of the time, you just need to change the shutter speed, but I like to have my shutter speed double my frame rate, so I like to change it as well. So it's not your lighting setup, it's physics and shutter speed. So I hope you liked this short tutorial on how to eliminate those flickering lights. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.